Hi, I'm Will Knauer, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we will be exploring Bad Lawn by Roxy Paine. Before we begin talking about this artwork, let's take a moment to let your eyes wander all over the piece. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all of the details you see. What are your first reactions when you see this sculpture? Do you wonder why the artist may have created this? Are you thinking that this looks so real it might actually be a part of the ground that's been turned into the strangest coffee table you've ever seen? Or perhaps you are finding that you can't stop thinking that it almost looks like a giant tray of brownies and that you are suddenly very hungry. These are all normal responses to Roxy Paine's sculpture, Bad Lawn. In fact, it's great that you might have responses such as these. Wondering, thinking, and asking interesting questions are great ways to learn more about a work of art, and at the end of every question and thought is a greater understanding of the artwork itself. For this sculpture, Roxy Paine has chosen to realistically recreate a part of a lawn. He has used industrial materials such as steel, wood, and lacquer. He then took time to carefully hand paint each piece to look just like it would in real life. Why do you think it might be important for this sculpture to look very lifelike? Would it have the same effect if it didn't look as real? Now that you're looking at it so carefully, perhaps you are wondering why this might even be considered a sculpture. Have you ever seen another sculpture that looks like this one? Think about how different this one seems to other sculptures you have looked at. Is there anything that this work of art has in common with those other ones? What about the main differences between them? Another great question is why Roxy Paine may have even created this sculpture. Do you have any thoughts about why he may have created it? Sometimes, when we view a part of the world in a different location from where we are used to it being, we are able to suddenly see it in a new way and think about it very differently. Roxy Paine has chosen to create a part of a lawn, but then place it in a museum, a location that a lawn would usually not be found in. Would you think differently about the idea of a lawn if you saw it in a museum? That's great if you would. It might even help you see normal lawns in a new and more interesting way from now on. The name of this sculpture, Bad Lawn, tells us a lot about it. When we think of a lawn, we usually think of an area of grass in front of or behind a house, or perhaps a building. Typically, lawns are maintained by people in order to look nice. But this lawn? Yikes! That really is one bad lawn. What are some things you notice that might make this lawn considered bad? Take a few moments to look carefully. Thanks for doing that. Did you think it might be the fact that this lawn doesn't look like it has been mowed recently? Or that it isn't covered in a layer of healthy grass? Maybe the fact that we see so much of the muddy ground? Or what about all the weeds and fungi that are growing? These could definitely all be parts of what makes this seem like a bad lawn. Is it possible those aspects also make this seem like a good sculpture? They certainly can. Something else that might really be fun would be to imagine that you are shrunken down to the size of a raisin. You are now exploring a lawn nearby your house with some of your friends, looking up at the grass that now seems as tall as trees. What would this world look like? What strange creatures would you find if you were exploring this lawn at this tiny size? Take a moment to imagine how beautiful and mysterious this world would seem if you were down inside of it as a little explorer. Wow, that was so fun to explore the lawn like that. What types of amazing discoveries did you make? How different would that experience have been if you were shrunken down and exploring a lawn that looked like the one in this sculpture? Would you find different creatures? How similar and how different would the experiences have been? This has been so fun to think about this sculpture. Who knew how interesting and amazing a little bit of lawn could be, and especially such a unique one? Perhaps it's important for everyone to have their own answers about why they liked this work of art, or even to just realize that it's alright to ask these interesting questions and have these unusual thoughts. One thing is for sure, this may look like a bad lawn, but it really is a great sculpture. Thank you for watching. Now please feel free to go to the art making video that is related to Bad Lawn. Remember to keep in mind what you've learned here as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.